Alright, what is up YouTube? This is Mrs. Zuni back at it with another video. And this is a long awaited video. These are 6 months of my Thursday Rogue boots. And these are amazing. These are my favorite go-to boots for sure for this winter on my trips, dressing up, dressing down, casual wear, jeans and a t-shirt. I like to dress these up as well with some nice slacks sometimes, and then a nice just button-up shirt. Blue for sure, like navy pants, charcoal pants. These look very nice. These go well with everything. I mean, here's my other Thursday boot that I did a review on. So if you guys have any questions about this one, go check it out. It will be linked in the description. 6 months as well. But these are my go-to boots. I know those are black. My Cavaliers are black. But these are like my go-to everyday boot. So this is a 6 months of wear. As you can see, they look beautiful with age. They're not like, if you check out my video, they're pretty light. They were really light, and now they're kind of a little darker color. They have more character. I have not cleaned these, and shouts out to Thursday. They're gonna send me out a cleaning, I guess, kit. So I'm not sure if it's gonna be something with suede, but if it's a brush, like that's all you need for the suede shoes. Like just a little water and a bristle brush. That's how I do my usual cleaning. And then with these, of course, like you can put shampoo it and you can put conditioner on it. So that's gonna be fun to kind of spruce up these boots. But these boots for like suede, I just feel like they just get better. Like I don't even want to clean them. They look better with age when you get little stains. But look at, as you can see, there's no imperfections on these at all. No stains. I've been in like Switzerland snow in these. I've been in New York rain, London rain. These are still my go-to boots no matter what the weather is. Like if it's raining, I don't even think not to take these. As you can see, the bottoms, that I wore these a lot. The heel is intact, strong. I love this heel. I know this could be possibly a deal breaker for most guys because of the height, but trust me, my shorter guys, these are very nice. Not even hard to walk in, honestly. No issues with walking in these at all. Have not fell, have not slipped. The heel cup is perfect. No, I know some people were talking about the shank on the Thursday boots, how they can hear clacking or clicking on when you step. No issues whatsoever. As well as the outer part of the boot, the rubber part, there is no, as you can see, any signs of wear or anything falling apart on these. As well as the little indentations. You can see that I did wear these a lot, and you can see where they're kind of wearing the most, which is the top and then the forefoot of the boot. You can still see the Thursday branding right there. So yeah, these are the Goodyear Welt construction all the way around. So like I said, if you're walking in water, walking in rain, you're not gonna have a big issue with these. I know for sure these aren't like water resistant as, let's say, leather is, because it's not going to really penetrate the leather, as well as these are Goodyear welted as well on the bottom, so you have a nice seal. These I haven't had an issue with. So the only real issue I've had with these boots are the fraying and a little bit of the belt loop messing up, which is kind of weird on this one right here, because I only use the tightest possible belt loop. But that's something to think about. But when they reached out to me, like, they're so cool. Shouts out to Thursday, because they reached out to me when I made my first video about these, and they noticed that, hey, that's not supposed to happen. These are like an imperfection, and this is something that their customers really never, when they get their boots, this never happens. So it could be something like I could have gotten a bad pair, but for being a bad pair, like, these are my favorite boot, which is crazy. And they reached out to me saying that I can exchange these for a new pair or another pair. For example, because they gave me like these ones right here. the Rogue boots, they're not in stock right now. So it could take 2 to 3 weeks or maybe a month, depending on how long their shipments take. And I was thinking about getting like the new, the rugged line. I want to get into those. I love the burnt copper color, and I think I might go for the Captain burnt copper. But yeah, like that's so cool of a company to see what we're doing on YouTube and to like help us out. And as well, like the customer service, they get back to me within a day, sometimes twice a day. Like that's so cool. As you can see, like the leather looks great. I love it how it's just nice and rugged. Like suede gets better with age. Here's some close-ups of the bottom. As you can see, all the nails are intact. And as you can see, all of the rivets are good. A little bit of wear on that one right there. But that's where you walk them, or at least I walk the most, and the top of the heel, or the top of the shoe. Here is the Goodyear Welt construction. So yeah, if this is a bad defect on their boot, this is a defected boot, it still looks so good. Like I said, the only issue I've had is with the buckles, and it's not to say like I can't wear these boots anymore, because nothing else has gone wrong with them. Like this is just like a minor thing, and my pants kind of cover these, so I don't really notice them at all. These look so good. Like I keep telling you that they just are the best pair. I'm so happy about these ones. These are probably better than my black ones, the Cavaliers. I think I wear these the most. I've taken these to the beach. Like I took these to the beach and I got sand all in here, and all I did was just brush off the sand. And I'm gonna do a review as well when I clean these up. And I mean, like with suede, I just have to get like a little bit of water, like light water, and just brush it with a brush, and the suede it goes back to what it used to be. Yeah, like no stitching issues whatsoever. The inside looks great. No dyeing of socks or anything. You can still see my Thursday heel, or the on the heel right there. No issue with the leather coming up, the insole. Like these look they smell brand new. Like that's another thing with, I love the smell of like new leather, or just leather in general. And these still smell as good as they did when I first got them. So yeah, guys, let me know in the comment section below if you had the option to get these again, or like the Captain Rogue boots, or the Captain in burnt copper off the rugged line. That's what I want to bring to you guys. I want to show you guys their other styles as well. I don't see too many videos on the rugged line, and the burnt copper I think is very nice. It could be even nicer than the taupe color, but we'll see, because I think I'm gonna opt to switch out for those. But yeah, let me know what you guys would do in the comment section below. But yeah, thank you Thursday Boots so much. I appreciate all the support, and YouTube, peace.